this is Marcus Brown bringing you today's market update. We start with what has been labelled as Marmitegate. Unilever and Tesco entered a dispute earlier this week as consumer goods giant looked to Tesco to increase the price of some of its products, such as Marmite and Ben & Jerry's, on the back of the devaluation of the sterling. Shares in both Tesco and Unilever were down more than 3% as a result of the dispute. Yesterday, the two firms reached an agreement to resolve the issue, with details of the settlement not being made public. The case is being viewed as having a wider significance, as the falling pound will most likely cause suppliers to jack up their prices. Consequently, a degree of retaliation from large supermarkets who look to keep their prices competitive is likely, as evident in Tesco's reaction. In Brexit news, eurosceptic politicians have criticised the lawsuit, debating the legal process for leaving the EU as pulling away from the real issues of Brexit. The case is looking to determine whether an Act of Parliament needs to be put in place before the government activates Article 50. Many pro-Brexit politicians see the lawsuit as a deliberate attempt to divert attention from key issues by MPs who never wanted to leave the EU in the first place. Confidence in the outcome of UK negotiations took a further hit yesterday as President of the European Council, Donald Tusk, warned that the UK was facing a choice between a hard Brexit or no Brexit at all. In indices, the UK 100 fell 54.6 points at yesterday's close to finish below the 7,000 mark at 6,987.9 and is currently trading up at today's open. The Germany 30 witnessed a significant decrease of 98.4 points yesterday, whilst the France 40 also fell by 37.6 points, yet both indices are currently pricing up at today's open. In the corporate news, assets under management at Ashmore Group increased by $2 billion in the quarter ending 30th of September. Goldman Sachs has thrown the covers off Marcus, its consumer lending venture, marking a key step in the bank's strategic pivot towards Main Street. Marcus.com offers personal loans of up to $30,000. In upcoming data, 1:30 sees US core retail sales figures released, along with PPI data. Also at 1:30, Bank of England Governor Mark Carney gives a speech. 3 p.m, US prelim University of Michigan consumer sentiment is revealed, and at 6:30, Federal Reserve Chair Janet Yellen gives her speech. Thank you for listening.